For today's video, I'm going to be fulfilling a request, and that was by Mad Hatter. And Mad Hatter has asked, can we do prime under the microscope? And so that's what we're going to be doing today. We have 3 different flavors here, and I'm going to take a drop from each of them, place it onto the slide. Now, one thing I found interesting about this drink is that they didn't rely on adding color to the drink, but rather the packaging is what is appealing rather than the color of the water or whatever it is that's in here. So right here we have our 3 drops, and we're going to get under the microscope and see what we can find. Alright, so we are now under the microscope, and at the bottom of our screen we can see the slide, which is the darker area, and the area that covers most of our screen is the prime juice. Now right away we can see lots of different particles within this drink. That's probably a mix of ingredients or little particles from those ingredients that we can see, and a mix of maybe some microplastics. But we'll try and get a better view of this. Now, I have to say, I'm not associated with Logan Paul or Prime, and I've never even tasted the drink before. And so I'm not trying to call anyone out on anything, but we'll see what we find, and it is what it is. Now, I want to try and adjust the lighting here so we can see how many particles really are inside of this drink. Give me a sec. And there we go. We can see a lot more, or a lot better view of all of the stuff that is in here, all the particles that you are consuming. Now right here, that appears to be a microplastic. Now, microplastics aren't going to be specific to Prime. They're going to be in just about any product. You can find them in food products. And a better, or a way you can see them better, is going to be in liquids. So even bottled water is going to have these microplastics. I'm going to now move to the other drop, or the other flavor, which is berry cherry, I believe. No, it's berry freeze. This is berry freeze here. And again, it looks very similar to the other flavor. Now, all of these, I looked at the ingredients of these different juices, or these different flavors, and the ingredients are pretty much the exact same. And so most likely what's going on is they're adding, when it says natural flavors, that's probably, it's just a different flavor they're adding to the drink so that it tastes different. But for the most part, all the ingredients are pretty much the same. And so they're probably not going to look much different under the microscope. Let's now look at our final flavor. And that's going to be our cherry freeze. And again, very similar. Now, keeping in mind microplastics, then if we can find a microplastic in each drop that we have here, the whole bottle is going to contain well over 1,000 drops, and so you're going to be consuming a very large amount of microplastics. And again, this is not specific to Prime. You're probably going to find this in many drinks and other products. I'm now going to zoom in. We have a better view here. This is zoomed in. Again, we see some, I believe these are microplastics right there. So we're pretty zoomed in right now. We can see lots of stuff. Anyway, if you liked today's video, please subscribe and comment below what you would like to see under the microscope. And I hope that we addressed or showed Mad Hatter what they wanted to see. And as a final clip here, this is just an even more zoomed in photo or picture or video of Prime under the microscope. Now all this movement is probably not bacteria, but more so just molecules moving, causing the particles to move. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully I see you on the next video.